Welcome to Vedansha Institute of Vedic Science and Alternative Medicine in Rishikesh, India. We would like to offer you different programs in yoga teacher training, astrology training, Ayurveda training and vastu. At the same time, we are offering our clients and customers different retreat programs based on their health issues. If you would like to learn deeper the yogic science, it is better to join the yoga teacher training. As one of the best schools in Rishikesh, we are offering 200, 300 and 500 hours of yoga teacher training. The quality of our education will help you to understand the yoga science as from the base. It means yoga, asana science, pranayama, yoga philosophy, anatomy, meditation, practicum, alignment and adjustment. If you want to go more deeper and learn the therapeutic way of yoga, we can offer you different yoga therapy teacher training programs based on the particular health diseases and their corrections with the yoga therapy. If you would like to improve your health problems, then better to join our retreat program, for example, the detox retreat program, that based on the Ayurveda and yoga that includes individual detox program with particular therapy plan. We will be very happy to see you in our center. Thank you.